Exercise 5.2, question number 19. Subba Rao started work in 1995 with annual salary of rupees 5,000 and received an increment of rupees 200 each year. In which year did his income reach 7,000? The list of annual salaries in first year, second year, third year, and so on is rupees 5,000, then rupees 5,200 with annual increment of rupees 200. Next year 5,400 and so on. Last salary is 7,000. This list of numbers forms an AP because consecutive difference is always same and that is equal to 200. So this list of numbers form an AP with first term A equal to 5,000, common difference D equal to 200 and the last term 7,000. We have to find in which year did his income reach rupees 7,000. So we will find there are how many terms in this AP, and for that let nth term of this AP be the last term. That is A plus n minus 1 into D equal to L. First term is 5,000 into n minus 1 into common difference 200 equal to 7,000. This implies n minus 1 into D equal to 7,000 minus 5,000 is equal to 2,000. Common difference D is 200. So n minus 1 is equal to 2,000 by 200, which is equal to 10. So n is equal to 10 plus 1, 11. Therefore, in 11th year, his income reached rupees 7,000. In 11th years means after 10 years. First year he started his work in 1995 and after 10 years his income reached rupees 7,000. So 10 years after 1995 means in year 2005 his income reached rupees 7,000. So this you can also write in year 2005 his income reached rupees 7,000.